If you're facing issues or challenges with your Pocket AI trading app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Pocket AI trading app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So there are quite a number of challenges you might be experiencing. Maybe the app is too slow, some features are not functioning, or it is taking too long, or sometimes even it crashes. If this is any of your situations, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, we need to access Pocket AI trading app info page, and you can do this by just long pressing on your app if you are on Android smartphone, and then you should see app info. However, if you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access this app info page. At this point, first you need to tap on stop the app, and this will stop any background processes that might be causing the issue to stop. Then head to clear data here and clear cache data. So these are just small files that your app normally collects to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. At this point, you need to restart your smartphone and then open your app, and now everything should be okay. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you'll need to come back to app info, and this time around clear all data here and just tap OK. And at this point, you'll need to log in afresh because this step will log you out of your app. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you'll need to check if we have any update for your app, and that you can do through Google Play Store if you're on Android, or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store here and look for any update. Update your app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest version that is supported that you should be using. So in most cases at this point now, everything should be okay. However, if you experience issues such as the app is crashing and this can't stop, for that you need to uninstall the app completely from your smartphone and then install it afresh. You might need to run maybe clear trash before you install the app to make sure that you clear all the bugs that might be associated with the older version of this app. So that's how you can fix issues related to Pocket AI trading app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.